Hey guys, welcome to the shop. This is my 1971 Dodge Challenger. I've had it a couple of years, maybe 2.5 now. Did quite a bit of work on this guy to try and get it to the condition it's in. Repair panels on the rear quarters, paint job, engine out, transmission out, everything cleaned up, pretty much virtually new interior. One of the things that I wasn't happy with and I want to change is the fact that it has a 727 torque flight transmission automatic, which, you know, it's fine. The previous owner changed it to a reverse pattern manual shift, which basically means that drive on this gear shift is first, which is kind of normal. Second is second, and first, because you pull the shifter towards you, is third. I think it's so that you can drive the car hard and not worry about punching the gear shifter forwards into neutral or reverse by accident. But anyway, I think this was their Sunday fun day car, and that's what they used it for. Now it's a little bit more than that, but it's running a 440. Get some light on the subject here for you. And it runs good, but we're going to change the transmission. We're going to put a Tremec 5-speed in it. So I'll show you that right now. So here we have brand new STX shifter TKX 5-speed, and the kit that it comes in has everything included. So right there is a box full of goodies: flywheel, bell housing, clutch, hydraulic, slave cylinder, pedal box, pretty much everything to convert an automatic 71 Challenger into a standard. Kit comes with everything you need, including a lot of instructions. Silver Sport are pretty good with this sort of stuff, by all accounts. One of the biggest things we're going to have to change is the transmission tunnel. On this car I've got to weld a new Mopar transmission tunnel into it, which is going to be a little bit of work, but once it's all lined up, we'll be putting the welder to good use. And yeah, I think that's probably going to be the slowest part of the whole deal, apart from the pedal box could be a problem. Well, not a problem, but difficult, but never done one before. I'm sure it'll be fine. Got the whole winter. There's snow outside, so this car's not going anywhere till March, April anyway, the earliest. So, yep, so we've got to crack on. Yeah, we'll take you down below the car for the first episode, and we're going to remove the seats and the interior. So let's get at it. That right there is a 727 torque flight 3-speed automatic transmission. That's what was fitted in these cars from new. Anyway, bottom line is we're going to take that transmission out and put a 5-speed Tremec, which is a little bit involved because I've got to change the transmission tunnel as well, but with a bit of luck I'll get it all on camera. So this is what we're up to. Got to take the console out, both seats, and the carpet, and these trims on the door frame. We'll pop them out too, and then we can cut a hole in the floor. The floor I repaired 2 years ago. Anyway, let the fun begin. Okay, so first things first, let's get the seats out. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. These bolts should be a lot easier to take out than the first time, because they're all clean and new and covered in lube. Okay, well, those washers aren't going to drop. Let's go inside and pull the seat out. Okay, so there's one removed. The ratchet just went lefty-tighty. What's going on there? I guess my exhaust system isn't exactly even on both sides. No matter, the fingers will do the job. Okay. So that's not going to come out of there, out of pipe. Okay, so we've got the front seats out, centre console out, all piled up there. Now I've got to get the washer jet pump, foot pump out, those two screws there. Got to have a look and see at the panel, see what we've got to do here. Here it is. That, this guy here has to go right there. One around the other side. I will bolt these back onto the headers later so I don't lose them. Trying to do this in a funny sort of angle so that the camera can see what's going on. These were the headers that came with the car. They were a bit crusty. I sandblasted them and got them and ceramic coated them, but they seem to have lasted pretty good, but they really need replacing. They're not leaking now, that's the main thing. Okay, so that's the two front header pipes disconnected. So now we go down the bus here, and I think just going to disconnect it from there and slide it all forward, and then that will be out the way. And a 2. So I dropped the ratchet on my face. Oh. Lefty loosey, righty tighty, lefty loosey. So when it becomes righty loosey, you got to worry. But, feeling in the pit of your stomach. Uh-oh. Too far. I've got to get those mufflers off. I think it's simpler just to drop the brackets. So we shall do that with a smaller socket. Yeah, should be washers on there. Oh no. Right, I'll take these off. Yeah, I should have spaced that bolt hole a little further away from the support bar, but it is what it is. Oh, not holding you up there properly. One. Every shop needs a milk crate, beer crate, milk crate. They're uber handy. One, ah. 2, ah. Right. Whoever put the Loctite on these bolts either needs a medal or a slap. It was me. There we go. Easy. Let's move that around so it sits. Ooh, okay. Right now, I can't say for sure whether there's going to be a ton of transmission fluid coming out of there or not. No problems.
easy. Bracket off that holds the shifter mechanism up into the body of the car. One. I mean, this transmission's working, you know, doing its job, but it's loose. It's loose and it's a little bit vibratory. And you get this little clip off here, and then actually, this is just to pull that off there. There we go, look at that. Put that back on there. Okay, that is out the way.